DJI Neo 2, Lykus Case review. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Neo 2 has just been an absolute treat to own and fly. I am having a total blast with it. Recently, the good folks at Lykus sent me a case to go ahead and do a review for. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Go ahead and take a look at the DJI Neo 2 case by Lykus. And here's a card that Lykus includes in all of his cases showing a diagram of where everything goes. It's very self-explanatory. I really like that. That's something that Lykus has done consistently. Now we'll go ahead and put the battery charging case in the bottom of the compartment where the Neo 2 sits. And then with the Neo 2, the antennas are going to be pointed towards the back. Okay, next we'll go ahead and put the batteries in. And now we'll take the 65-watt charger, and it fits in a slot below where the controller will sit. And last but not least, let's go ahead and put the controller in. The sticks are in the sides. They're not on the controller itself. And there is another slot for additional cables above and to the left of the Neo 2. It clasps securely, and it's easy to latch. There's the air relief valve that Lykus has on its cases. Here's the front of the case. There's a slot that you can put a label in. One nice sturdy rod that holds the case in back on its hinge. And there is the Neo 2 Lykus case. I am very impressed overall with the case. An item of note, it only works with the N3 controller. It does not work with the RC2 controller. Question of the day. What did you think of DJI Neo 2 Lykus Case review? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.